Hi guys, it's Alan here from Compass Media, and I'm just coming on today. I want to show you a little bit of a tutorial of if you're just starting out on Twitter and how you can edit your profile, how you can add up an image onto your profile, and also how you can send tweets, and also a few of the other great features also on Twitter. So without further ado, let's jump into this. Okay guys, so we're here in the dashboard on Twitter, and as you can see, this is our homepage of Compass Media. If we go to the home profile, this is just your news feed that is booked and that is flowing every day of the week with constant tweets coming in and out from all your different people that you may be following. Okay, so where I want to start off with is at the basics, and is to start off with your profile and just give you a little bit of an idea as to what it's about. Okay, so as you can see down the center here, this is your the top part of it obviously is your profile, and underneath you have your tweets. You also have your tweets and your replies, your media, and also the tweets that you've also liked. Underneath you have your profile, which is all of the posts that you have been posting or tweeting or retweeting, or if you get mentioned and so on and so forth. Okay, up the top you see a pinned tweet, which is what I have put, which stays at the very top of my feed, which I'll show you how to do in a few minutes time. But let's just move around the dashboard. Okay, so what we have here is down the side obviously are all of the different areas that you can explore. So you have your home page, you also have your explore, which is like what's happening and what's trending on Twitter at the moment. So you can see Sheffield United co-owner Kevin McCabe orders to sell shares in club. So that's just the top tweet, and this is in Ireland at the moment. Okay, and then obviously you can see the other ones as well. One good audit, or one good adult I should say, Ryanair, seat sale, motivational Monday, ploughing 19, and government villages. Those are the top 4 trending hashtags that are happening at the moment. Okay, then we move into notifications. So if anyone has mentioned you in a tweet, you'll see it coming up here in your notifications. Okay, then you have your messages, and then you have your bookmarks as well. So if you want to bookmark a particular tweet, or you want to bookmark a particular person and see all the tweets, you're going to see it there. And then you have your lists, which you have a load of different lists, and then you have your more. So let's just jump back out here, and you have more here as well. So more will give you all of it'll give you your profile. You can also add other profiles if you manage other accounts as well in there, which I'll show you how to do very easily. You also have your moments, which used to be a big thing. Then you have your Twitter ads, you've also your analytics, and then if you have a Twitter ads account, you will see the media studio, which will give you all of the media that you put up. Then you have your settings and your privacy, your help menu, and then your display. And just a cool little thing on your display, if you don't like the display being white, you can change it to a darker color, so you can adjust it to whichever way you want. So you can dim it, so it'll bring you a little bit of a dimmed version, or you can have lights out, which is like black. So if you are in a so if I wanted to say black, so what you can see here is if you're reading it at night, it's quite good to be able to do that, because it'll just change it to a dark screen, so it won't affect your eyes and stuff like that. To change it back, all you do is you go back into the more menu, and then just click default, and it'll automatically throw you back into the main settings. Okay, now so we have a little bit of a more understanding. You also see here over in the corner all of the tweets with the visuals that you've used. On the right hand side here you also have you might like these, so these are people you could follow, so you can gives you suggestions, and it gives you a load of suggestions of who you would like to follow if you click and expand it open. Then, as I said, you can see quickly, you can do a quick view on the trends that are happening. Now, you can change this if you live in, I just have it set to Ireland because I want to see everyone, but if I wanted to change the location, so I could change the location to worldwide if I wanted to, and then you'll see that it's worldwide trends that are happening also on Twitter. But I'm just going to switch it back over to Ireland. So let me just go Ireland. There we go. Click it there, and it automatically will bring it back. So you can see that it's all just Ireland that I have here at the moment. Okay, that is basically the dashboard. Now, there is other features on the dashboard, but I want to try and just get into the main part of your profile. So your profile here is up the top. So if you wanted to edit your profile, you can see here that first off, you click in here. If you haven't got anything here, it will just be a blank, and you'll see that there is a little camera there, so you can click. Once you click that, then you can go and you can find out whatever, you can change that to whatever heading you want, and if you don't like it, you just exit. Okay, and then you can also edit your picture as well. The next part here is your name, your bio, your location, and your website. Okay, so I have in here my name, and you can also add emojis in here. What I would say to you there, guys, is if you want to add emojis, go on, copy them onto your desktop, and then add them in. So just copy and paste them in there. Okay, but emojis do work, and a lot of people use them as well. Okay, then your bio, and of late your bio has been able to change. You've been able to change it. Before it was all literally just one paragraph. Now you can separate it out into separate lines. What I would suggest here is add your name in, because so when people do come on and if they try and connect with you, at least they have your name. Okay, so they know who you are. It's not just like Compass Media. Very impersonal. More personal if it is your actual name. Okay, then obviously what you do, and then if you have any hashtags that you want to be searched for, that you will come up in search for, you're going to put them in there as well. I have presenter of SM Talks podcasters. I also have a bit.ly link in there. So this is a little ninja trick. So basically I've put a bit.ly link, which you can create yourself, for the Social Media Talks podcast, because it only allows you to have one website on it. It won't allow you to have a number of websites. So ninja trick is to do a little small bit.ly link and stick the link that you want. So say for instance, if you were promoting an event or something like that, that you can put that in your bio, and then you can change it up as time goes by. Or if you want to, if you write a particular blog for a particular blog post or something like that, you can add that in there as a small bit.ly link. So it's quite a good one. And then obviously your location, then your website, and put in your date of birth. It doesn't necessarily have to be true if you don't want it to be true. I have mine as true, but if you don't want it, but make sure that you do fill that in. Very, very important. So that is your profile. So let's move on and create a tweet. What we can do is we can just press the tweet button down here, and as you can see, it'll come up as a blank, and it gives you a number of different options. So you can add a photo, you can add a GIF, you can add a poll, and you can also add emojis as well. So if we wanted to send a say a new tweet to Amanda Delaney, so let's just say I've just sort of created one here, but you can write, obviously you can write this yourself. So as you can see here, I've hi at we can Amanda, which is Amanda Delaney, which will automatically let her know that she's actually seen it, and we just go welcome. So let's just edit that a little bit, welcome to Twitter, and then I use my hashtags be social, and also I can stick in, if I wanted to, hashtag SM Talks, which is what I use all the time, and then we can use the hashtag we can, and we will as well. Okay, now if I wanted to add a image to that, I can literally just click on that and it will bring up a number of images. So just if I go to my desktop, and let me see, I'll just go in here to images. So let's just pick this one here, just out of slip. So as you can see, the image adds in, so I can add an image in there if I wanted to. I can also edit it within Twitter as well, but you're probably better off doing it in a third-party tool. and then just uploading your image. Okay, now if I wanted to change that and say I wanted to send a GIF, I could send a GIF. So I just click on the GIFs, and then I can pick whichever GIF I want. So if I wanted to just go say hello, I can search then for hello GIFs, and it'll give you that one. So maybe we just put that one in for a bit of fun. Okay, and then we just click add, and it automatically will add it in there. Okay, if I wanted to add at the end of these an emoji, let me just click on it and say we just use this one, and we just go, yeah, that's great, we'll use that one and that one as well, and maybe we'll just pick another one down here or something else. So let's see, I don't know, whatever, we can just go whatever, say, you know, cycle. Okay, I'm only using that, whatever it may be. Okay, and then you can see here, it'll give you your character reference, it'll give you the amount of character, it'll keep letting you go and put in as much content as you want, and this will grow up. So if I was to add in more, and it gives you up to 240 characters. That's great. Okay, this plus sign here is to add another tweet. So if you're doing something in stages, so say for instance you were given 5 steps, what you can do is you can do the first one and say, here's my 5 steps to, you know, using Twitter better. Okay, and then I can go step 1, and I can add it in here, and then I can click and add another one. So if I typed in here, and then I can go step 2, so I can add another step 2. So if I put in step 2, and then so on and so forth if I wanted to. If I don't want to, I can just get rid of them, and I just clear out of them. So once I do that, I clear out of that, I clear out of that, and it cleans them up. So, and then all I have to do is to send the tweet there straight away, and automatically the tweet will be sent. Okay, and then if I just double click and I go back, you'll see there's the tweet that I've just sent. Okay, so very, very simple, but well worth having a look at, and well worth, you know, when you're using Twitter, try and use the hashtags, try and tag people into them. And there's so many great options, and it's a great way of connecting. Okay, so say for instance I wanted to pin this tweet here at the top of my profile. Okay, so every time someone clicks onto it, they see the pinned tweet. This is how you do it. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a drop down menu, and you can go pin to profile. So what it does is it'll automatically go, this will appear at the top of your profile and replace your previous pinned tweet, which is obviously the top one here, the one that I have, and it'll automatically do that. Okay, so now that is my pinned tweet. So when anyone comes on my profile, the first one they're going to see is that. If I wanted to change it again, I can literally go pin to top, and then I just press that, and it automatically would pin that. So I can constantly do that and constantly keep just changing that up and adding a different one every couple of days or every couple of weeks, whatever may suit you. Okay, your lists, you can also create lists. I'm not going to go into that. We'll go into that in a different one. But if you do go to my profile on YouTube, you will see there is one there for creating lists, and you can learn how to do it very, very simply. Okay, so I do hope this was of some use to you today, and it gives you a little bit more insight into how to use Twitter. Okay, if you want more information about the services that Compass Media provide, visit the website, jump on, have a look around, see what you can do. You can also subscribe and follow us on YouTube for more videos, and also you can also subscribe and listen to the Social Media Talks podcast, which is available every week with a brand new episode where we talk to digital marketing influencers right around the world, and we've had some fantastic guests on it. And there's also there's a great 2 episodes on Twitter with Madeline Scalar, one of the world's leading Twitter experts as well, so you can jump on and listen to that as well. Okay, so guys, have a great day, and as I always say, be social. Until next time, bye bye.